The Hellertown Historical Society's hard work has helped preserve local sites like the Walnut Street Pony Bridge and Hellertown's first jail. Located in eastern Pennsylvania and founded nearly 30 years ago, the Hellertown Historical Society works to preserve the heritage of the town. The Society maintains the 35-acre Heller-Wagner Grist Mill tract and offers opportunities for the community to learn about Hellertown's fascinating past through educational tours, community events, and much more. Did you know that the Heller-Wagner Grist Mill is one of the oldest landmarks in Hellertown? Visitors can tour the grist mill and barn and see not only agricultural machinery, but also a museum that displays early life in Hellertown. The grist mill hosts an 800-square-foot tavern room named after the famously lost first tavern in Hellertown. Members of the community can take part in a number of events that the Society coordinates throughout the year, including a speaker series, holiday gatherings, and Hellertown Heritage Day. To learn more about Hellertown's rich and storied past, be sure to check out all that the Hellertown Historical Society has to offer. I'm Katie, and that was a peek at the Valley.
Hey, do you like the Peak TV? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel.
To see more of the Peak TV, check out our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and catch us on WFMZ Channel 69.